Hey everyone, welcome back to Codian. Today we're diving into one of the most important concepts in programming, arrays. If you've ever wondered how to store and manage data efficiently, stick around because arrays are the key. An array is like a container that holds multiple items of the same type, organized in a specific order. Think of it as a row of lockers where each locker has a number and stores one item. You can easily find what you're looking for by using the locker number, or in programming terms, the index. Here's an example. Imagine you're storing the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. In an array, each number is stored in a specific position, starting at index 0. Let's see this in action. Here's a quick example in Python. This script creates an array, accesses elements by their index, and even updates and adds new items. Pretty cool, right? But arrays aren't just for Python. You'll find arrays in almost every programming language, like Java, C++, and JavaScript, because they're so useful. So why do we use arrays? To store a collection of related data in one place, to access items quickly using their index, to make operations like sorting and searching more efficient. And that's the basics of arrays. Remember, they're one of the building blocks of programming, so understanding them is crucial for your coding journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tips and tutorials. See you next time.